Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam Weisbach. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I haven't done this before. It is a clothing haul video. Well, not just clothing, but I do have some other things, but mostly clothing. I also decided to do this video, one, because I wanted to kind of like switch up what I do on my channel, and two, a lot of you guys always ask in the comments like where I got my shirt, or you guys always like kind of like my outfits. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you where I get my like clothes from. I usually shop at these stores all the time. I've just been collecting clothes like over the past couple weeks that I've gotten since Black Friday, and maybe a couple like days before that and after that. So yeah, I just have a whole pile here that I'm so excited to show you guys. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got, which you guys may or may not have seen in one of my previous videos, I wore this crop top, which a lot of you guys asked me where I got this one from, and this is from Rue 21. I don't know if you guys all have that by you guys, but it's just a super cute crop top hoodie, and it's camo, and I've been obsessed with camo. So yeah, this is one of the camo things that I've gotten. So the next thing that I got is another army print. Super soft, and they are pretty tight at the bottom. I love pants that are just like clamp your like ankles. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, they're just like super cute, high-waisted too. So I feel like if you like had like a cute little crop top with this or something and you wore this high-waisted, I feel like that'd be like so cute. So the next thing I got is this cover up. I actually got this a while ago, but I wanted to throw it in because I don't really like wear it often, so it's still pretty new, and it has like these frilly thingies at the bottom of it. It's just like a cover up, and I got this at, I think I got this at Love Culture. We'll go with that. The next thing I got is this super cute leotard, and it has like the roses like by the boobs, and then it has like this choker that goes around your neck when you wear it. Super cute. I wore this like a couple times with like high-waisted shorts, but this is also pretty new, so I wanted to include this because it's just so cute. And I got this at Charlotte Russe. So the next thing I got is this super bright neon like peach colored jacket, and it's so soft and I'm so obsessed with it. I have one in purple too. It's like a super light lavender purple, and they're so amazing and so warm. And yeah, I got this at Kohls. I got this pajama set at Walmart the other day, and it says "Not Naughty Enough." So cute, and it was on sale for like $7. So the next thing I got at Love Culture is this like fishnet top in white, and if you had like a cute little bralette to wear under it, I think that this would look so cute, so I got this. And then again at Love Culture, I don't really have that many stores around me, so that's why it's like I get the same stuff at, you know, the same stores, but whatever. I got this top right here. It's super cute and crocheted at the top, as you can see, and I just love that it's a halter too, so like it like wraps around your neck kind of, so that way it just kind of has like support. Next thing I got from Kohl's, these leggings. They're like workout leggings with these fishnet design down the entire leggings. And yeah, and they're actually high-waisted leggings, but I don't really like it, so I just kind of like fold them down like this. The next thing I got is this cute long sleeve hoodie shirt type of thing. It's just like super comfy and has like a hoodie on it, and I just like really comfy things like this. So yeah, I got this, and I got this at Rue 21. Then at Kohl's, oh my god, I've been dying for a pair of these. I got this olive green capris, and they're just so cute. They are tight at the end, and I've been dying for a pair of these. They're high-waisted, and I just love the way these look with like a crop top. And then I just like to kind of scrunch up the bottom. So something I kind of like to pair with that is this cute tube top, and it's camo, what do you know? Just paired it with this and it looked so cute. So the next thing that I got from Kohls, you probably saw me wear this in my last 2 videos, but I got this hot pink crop top hoodie from Kohls. And then I got one in green also because I love them so much. So I got one in like a neon green. The next thing I got is another pair of the same capris, but now they're in black instead of like the olive green. I got them in black too because I feel like black matches more. So I got them in black too, and then I feel like you can match it with the cute tube top like this. The next thing I got is this yellow tank top right here. It's like that in the back, and then the front is just like that. I know a lot of you guys are wondering why I've got a lot of warm weather clothing, and it's like winter time, but I live in Florida, so it's not really cold out. So I can still like wear these things like during the day. And then I also got, these also have like rips in them. So I just thought that was super cute because, you know, keep it trendy, but you know, you can be a bum at the same time, kinda. So I've been doing a lot of like clothing, so I'm gonna switch it up and show you some jewelry now. I got this super cute chokers. This was like $5 at like the store in the mall. That like all the jewelry is like $5 and below, and they're rhinestones down the middle of it. And then I got this eyelash curler from Lilly Lashes. People that have naturally curly hair have naturally curled eyelashes, so I don't really use that, but it did come with Lilly Lashes that I bought. These are in the style Miami. For those of you that know me, I am so excited to have these because I've been dying to get them, but they're like $30 or like $25, $30 for one pair, and it like sucks because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reuse these. They say you can use these up to like 25 times, so that's like exciting, but I just don't see myself being able to wear a pair of eyelashes 25 times. I only wear them once and like they're done. So I also got these eyelashes. These are like, they're like glitter eyelashes. And then I got these eyelashes. I don't know, I was just trying to have like some fun, but I don't know when I'm gonna wear these, but I feel like I could find like a super cute look, like eyeshadow look with these, and this would just like totally like make the look with the little bows. So cute. And then I also went on to Luxy Lash and I got eyelashes from them too. I don't remember, oh, this is in the style West Side. I kind of go back to clothing now. I got this jacket from Love Culture. It's so cute. I paired it with a black dress, and under it like a tight black dress, and then it has like these fringed sides here that you can just like tighten, so that way it kind of just sculpts your body more, so it's not just so like such a big jacket. Been loving like this with a dress, and then you can get like the high boots. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, like I'm like, I need to find a pair because I want to wear it with this. So that's like why I bought this. And then I bought this dress to put under this also. It's just a like thick cotton dress. And then I just feel like this would look so cute with the boots, the high boots with this. Like look how cute. And that dress is also from Love Culture. I got one in black. That's the black dress that I was telling you that I wore under this. And then I bought this from Love Culture. This is like a cute crop top, and it like crosses over in the front, and it's just white and black stripes. And then here comes more camo. I got this cute little shirt. This is from Rue 21, and I just wanted like a chill shirt, and I just feel like this was super like chill, and this was like $5. And then I got this camo dress. It was only $7 from Rue 21, and it's just like a short sleeve camo dress, and then it has like the fishnet in the front, see-through, so it's like sexy. I got this. It's kind of like the black one, but a little different, but it's in green, and it has like these little strings in the pockets and these little frilly thingies on the pockets. I didn't know that it was here, but this is the black dress that I was talking about that I wore under the black one, but I also got it so you could wear under this one. And then I also got these shoes because I'm obsessed with glitter. Anything glitter like will catch my eye. So I saw these like super pretty gold shoes, and the shimmer is just like all these different colors. Like I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it just looks like straight like gold glitter almost, but it's not. It has like every single like color glitter in it. I see orange, green, blue. Like I wish the camera would pick it up. Oh, it kind of is there. Yeah, like it kind of is there, but and then the front looks like this. And then I also got these Nike sneakers. I needed a new pair of sneakers for when I start dental assisting school, so yeah, I just wanted like a good pair that will last me like a long time, but then I can also use for like other things like working out if I ever do that or something like that. But yeah, and I just been dying for like a black and white pair that like go with everything, so these are them. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so that way I know you guys do enjoy these types of videos, and I will continue to make more. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.